Paystack is one of the largest payment companies in one of Africa's largest markets, and we help businesses accept payments from anyone, anywhere in the world. As a result, Paystack interacts with a lot of businesses across multiple industries. Over the course of these interactions, we gain a lot of insights. The Decode Fintech newsletter is our way of packaging these insights and sharing it with the public. Working at Paystack exposes you to a ton of information, from newspapers to events to tweets to press releases and to earnings reports, right? If there's anything interesting happening in fintech, we've probably seen it already and we're analyzing it internally. The newsletter covers multiple industries such as payments, lending, cryptocurrency, regulation, remittances, and more. Anyone who's curious about what's going on in African fintech, how things are changing and what's coming next should definitely subscribe to the Decode Fintech newsletter.